Hi, hello, namaste,
Adab.
Adam.
My name is Afri.
My name is Rihanna. International news. Indian team discovers rare bow and arrow radio galaxy 2 billion light years from Earth. US launches fresh air strikes on Iran. Iran target US bases in Bahrain, Kuwait and Qatar.
National news. India inked deal for supply of uranium from Australia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India aspires to be one of the world's top 3 economies driven by the motto of grow more, achieve more. World Intellectual Property Organization report reaffirms India's emergence as a global innovation powerhouse.
State news. Andhra Pradesh. Union Defence Minister Rajnathan Singh and AP Governor S. Abdul Nazir will visit Visakhapatnam today. AP records in principal approval for Rs 750 crores. Tirupati, City of Lakes and Tanks property.
Sports news. India Ashwant S becomes country's 98th chess grandmaster. India suffered a defeat against England by 9 wickets in 4th T20 match. Thought of the day. Time and tide wait for none.
Do you know, friends, who is the present Environmental Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Answer: Sri Konidala Pawan Kalyan. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to our NT School YouTube channel.